Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you one of my favorite boats. I personally own one of these boats, but this is a 2023 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Starting off on the outside of it, obviously, this boat does come with a single axle trailer. There's no brakes on it, but it does come with a spare tire. Boat is light blue with the black decals on it, so you're going to see the black decals right here and right here. One of the cool things we did on this boat is we did the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. My boat has a white rub rail with a gray insert. It's just the base option. This really makes the boat look good. Back here in the back, we included the teak steps on both the platforms that are built in and integrated with the boat itself. It's not a platform that's just bolted on like some of the other boats that are on the market these days. We included a 40 horsepower Mercury with this boat. It does have obviously your steering wheel up front and your binnacle control right here. Ignition is built in. This is a great boat, very easy, very straightforward. It has a 6.5 gallon fuel tank and a switch for your lights, your navigation anchor lights, and there's a spot for everything, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything else. Been known to add additional items such as the bucket seats or the hinge seats. We can do just a regular cushion for the bench if you wanted. Bow cushions are available, as well as the cooler with cushion as well. Another awesome upgrade on this boat is the bow rail. This is one thing I don't have on my boat that I wish I did. It really looks good on the 13 Sports. It's got a utility feeling to it too. You can put rod holders up here. You can grab onto it when you're walking around or moving from the back to the front of the boat. Things like that. You can stand up here and act like you're Jack from Titanic. Besides that, we have your anchor locker built in right here. I was talking to you guys earlier about the bow cushion. The bow cushion is an option that we can add. We add 6 snaps. There's a strap on it as well, but covers this whole area up, gives you a nice cushioned area to sit down on. Another upgrade we did is the windshield. One of the reasons I like this is it doesn't really protect you from the wind unless you duck down like this, but it gives you a nice little compartment to throw your stuff with quick access to it. Besides that, if you don't get the windshield, it comes with this plastic cover right here that does have storage in here. There's a drain at the bottom of it, so you're good to go if any water gets in there. That's pretty much everything. Again, you guys, I love these boats. It's the unsinkable legend. So if you guys have any questions about the performance of them, what kind of activities you can do with it, call me. I'm your guy. I've sold like 100 of these things, so I'd be happy to answer any questions y'all have. Again, my name is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us anytime. We'd be happy to take care of you.